So step one is for disassembling the engine. Now this is only mocked up, and as you can see, there hasn't been any pistons in these holes as of yet. Like I said, we have the pistons. I still have to measure the bores. I don't know if it's 40 or 60 thou over. Natalie's just finishing off getting the engine mounts off, and the rest of it's all stripped down. We're going to leave the frost plugs in because these were put in brand new when this engine was machined, and it's just sat and sat and sat for several years. So we'll get out the old, since it's already been bored and honed, we're just going to get out the dingle ball hone and a little bit of oil, light oil, and we'll clean the rust off. See how the bores look. If we got to keep on honing, we will. And same thing, we got to run some, if you look down in here, there's our cam bearings, bores. I mean, we gotta run a lot of emery cloth and Scotch-Brite pads through the engine to clean up all the surfaces, get all the years of sitting gone before we can really get into taking it to the shop and pressure washing it and cleaning it. So without further ado, I'll set you up on the tripod and we'll see if we can make this thing do good. Here goes. Alright guys, that's going to conclude part 1 of the engine build on the 440. As you can see, we've got it all cleaned up. All the main important surfaces are anyway. We still got to take it down to the shop, pressure wash it, clean it up. Clean up all the components, internal, external, you name it. Everything's got to be gone through and cleaned up. So that's where we're going to leave this video for now. Stay tuned for part 2, where we do the cleanup, blow everything down, oil it up for protection, take it back to home here, and look everything over, start our measurements, and get ready for assembling the short block. And from there, it's onward and upward. So here goes, and thanks for following along. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next video.